Well, here's just a little update. Like before, not too much. This is a finished tailgate. All nicely painted. Don't know if you can really see how good the paint job came out, but there's no runs. I painted it quite a while ago, a few months back. Well, probably during the summer. And all I was doing to this is all the brackets. Just cleaned them all up, painted them. And now, just going to get ready to put them in their home. But just temporarily, because where the latch itself goes, I haven't made up my mind yet whether I'm going to send it away and get it chromed or just paint it. But you can see as I come around this one, that little guy's already in. They look okay. You know, just I painted them gunmetal. Probably see them better outside here. Yeah, see? Yeah. Didn't do too much to them. Just soaked them down, some good degreaser. Use a wire brush on them, on a drill. Some little bit of grit, sandpaper, whatever. Clean them up. And this is one of the rods. I don't know if you can really see it too well, but that goes through the tailgate. See, there's the end of the other one right there. But like I said, not doing too much. Paint another gas cap lid white. That came out really good. Don't know why. They both got to be red. And not too much else. So, till I get some more done, trying to find a place to get my truck painted. That's a really interesting job. Okay, talk to you guys later. Ciao for now. Okay, here's the tailgate latch. As you can see, it's not in the best of shape. Well, I guess it's in good shape. It's a little dirty. Little rust patina on it. But other than that, it works. That is that. As they say, you get a total overlook right there. And here is the chrome low molding that goes around the tailgate latch. Put it down here, you can see it better. See, it's in pretty decent shape. That duct tape there holds the two screws. See? It's pretty decent. Little bit of marring where the screws go in, but I'm going to try and clean it up a little bit more. But other than that, like I said, it's not going to be no damn Concord. I'm just trying to get this thing done up. And I got lots of other parts, spare parts, that if I wanted to, I can send away and get chromed. But, like I said, for now it's pretty good. Okay guys, ciao for now. Well, here we are. Tailgate is all complete. I'll put it back together. Just finished putting in the handle. Yeah, that's gunmetal. Looks pretty cool to trim around today. Really stands out being white. Yeah. All in all, like I said, it's not perfect, but it's cool. And they are all gunmetal. And 1 second. And there's the other side. I rhino lined it. Yeah. So it's like pretty thick shit. Hard as rock. So that'll protect that for a while. And it's straight at the bottom. Doesn't have a dent like the other one does that I have in my box right now. Okay, hang on a sec. Yeah, so that was pretty cool, eh? Well, like I said, not a lot, but it all works. So yeah, it looks a little better there, see? Yeah, all peachy. Yeah, so, well, one part complete. Okay, talk to you later. Like I say, build on.